Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into another powerful tool to enhance your browsing experience. We're going to walk you through how to create a V2Ray Slow DNS server and use it with HTTP Custom for secure and private internet browsing. This step-by-step guide will make sure you have a seamless and protected connection every time you go online. So let's get started. First, open any web browser on your device. In the search bar, type UDP Custom and hit Enter. You'll see a list of search results. Click on the official UDP Custom website. This is where we'll create our V2Ray Slow DNS server. Once you're on the UDP Custom homepage, locate the menu icon. It may look like 3 horizontal lines, also known as a hamburger icon. It's usually in the top corner of the page. Click on it to reveal a list of options. From the list of options, click on V2Ray Slow DNS Server. This option allows you to create a V2Ray server that supports slow DNS. When you click, it will take you to the next page, where you'll be asked to select a server location. On the server creation page, you'll be directed to an account creation page. Enter a username, solve the CAPTCHA to prove you're not a robot, and click Create Now. Within seconds, your server will be created, and the server details will be displayed on the screen. Now, if you're not familiar with how to use this V2Ray Slow DNS server with HTTP Custom, don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's move on to setting it up. Go to the Google Play Store on your device. In the search bar, type HTTP Custom and download the app. Once the download is complete, install and launch the HTTP Custom app. Simply click Open to access the home screen of the app. On the home screen, you'll need to activate both V2Ray and Slow DNS to use the server you just created. Make sure the boxes for V2Ray and Slow DNS are checked. This is an essential step for enabling these features. Now let's configure the V2Ray settings. Tap the plugin icon in the top right corner of the screen, then select V2Ray settings from the menu. Go back to the UDP Custom website where you created your server and copy the V2Ray server information. Paste this information into the appropriate fields in the V2Ray settings of HTTP Custom. Once you've entered the details, return to the main screen. Next, we'll configure the Slow DNS settings. Tap on the plugin icon again and select Slow DNS Settings from the menu. Paste the name server and public key information and into the corresponding fields in the Slow DNS settings. Don't forget to save your changes before returning to the main screen. With everything configured, it's time to connect to the VPN. On the main screen of the HTTP Custom app, tap the Connect button. This will establish a secure connection using the V2Ray Slow DNS server you just created. Congratulations, you're now securely connected. And that's it. You're now protected and ready to enjoy private, secure browsing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more tech guides and tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.